Hey there, Austin. This is Joe at the Warehouse Company. Now you get to know what I look like. Nice to meet you. Just doing a demo here with one of these temperature switches you returned to us. So Amy, if you'll zoom on in here, we'll show you what we got here. According to the diagram, brown is our common, and when we're actuating back and forth with the switch switching, it should be red and brown and blue as it actuates, with brown as the common. So if Amy will zoom back here, you can see I have our wires connected right now. I have red and brown hooked up right now. The switch is below its actuation point, and you can see in our light box that we have an indicator light showing it is actuated red and brown below its set point. If you look at our switch, we have it in our temperature bath right now. Temperature's at 50 degrees. This is again one of the switches that you returned to us. So we're at 50, below the actuation point, hooked up, common, and red. Okay, now we're going to increase the temperature, and the switch should actuate. I'm going to take it out of our bath. I'm going to put it in a cup of just hot water I have here next to the bath to bring its temperature up, and it should actuate quickly. It did. Alright, now according to the wiring diagram, we should leave brown, common connected. We're going to test the blue. Alright, brown and blue shows a light at the switch state. Now brown, common, and blue are showing a switch state. Okay? As they should. We're going to take it back out of the hot water, and we're going to have the switch reset itself. Put it back in here in our bath. It'll take a little longer this time for it to actuate, probably a minute or two. And when it actuates, we should see our light turn off on the light box once it resets itself. Our second set of wires turning on there. So when the switch resets, probably take another 10 seconds or so, we'll see this light kick off. And any moment now. I want to go ahead and pause it. Amy, we'll kick this back on in a second and have a new... Alright, Austin, you can see that our switch has changed state. It's gone back down to below the 50-degree set point. So we should, at this point, be able to change our wire back over to red, and our light is back on again. So the switch has changed state, just like it's supposed to. So below the set point, red and brown indicate a light. Once it goes up past its set point, brown and blue, with brown being common, indicates a light. And then we've cycled it back down to below the set point, and we're back to indicating red and brown, functioning as it should. Just to be sure of that, we've also tested, we have new switches that just arrived, 4th quarter 2014, all work exactly the same as what we just demonstrated. If you have any more questions, I'm going to call and talk through this video, and we'll be able to get this all sorted out. Have a good one.